Picture this. Our night sky, usually dominated by our lone moon, suddenly changes. A brilliant point of light appears, growing brighter with each passing night. It's Jupiter, our familiar gas giant, undergoing a dramatic transformation. It's becoming a star. Imagine the sight. Jupiter, blazing with the intensity of 1,000 suns, casting long, dancing shadows across our planet. The night would be almost as bright as day, altering our perception of time and space. This incredible event, though seemingly impossible, is a fascinating thought experiment. It challenges our understanding of the universe and pushes the boundaries of our imagination. It allows us to explore the fundamental laws of physics and the delicate balance that governs our solar system. The forces at play are immense, and the consequences of such an event would be profound. What if Jupiter, instead of remaining a gas giant, had ignited into a star billions of years ago? The early solar system would have been a very different place, with two suns shaping the formation of planets and moons. How would this second sun impact Earth and its inhabitants? The additional light and heat would drastically change our climate, ecosystems, and even the way we live our daily lives. Let's delve into the science behind this captivating hypothetical scenario. By examining the physics, we can better appreciate the delicate balance that keeps our solar system in harmony and the extraordinary nature of our universe. To understand this cosmic impossibility, we need to delve into the fascinating process of star formation. We need to grasp the intricate recipe that the universe follows to create these luminous giants. Stars are born from vast clouds of gas and dust, which begin to collapse under their own gravity, pulling everything inward. This collapse generates immense pressure and heat in the core, conditions that are crucial for the next step. Eventually, the core reaches a critical point where hydrogen atoms start to fuse into helium, releasing tremendous amounts of energy in the process. This nuclear fusion acts as the engine that powers stars, making them shine brightly in the night sky. Jupiter, despite being a massive gas giant, falls short of this stellar requirement. It's simply not massive enough to initiate the fusion process. To become a true star, Jupiter would need to be about 80 times heavier to ignite the fusion process. Think of it like trying to light a campfire. You need enough kindling and fuel to get the flames going. Once the fire is lit, it needs a continuous supply of fuel to sustain the flames. Jupiter, in its current state, is like a damp log. It has the potential for fire but lacks the necessary mass to ignite and sustain it. While it contains the right ingredients, it simply doesn't have the critical mass needed to start the fusion process and become a star. Instead, Jupiter remains a fascinating gas giant with its own unique characteristics and mysteries, but not a star. It plays a crucial role in our solar system, influencing the orbits of other planets and protecting the inner solar system from potential comet impacts. And let's not forget its many moons, each with their own stories and potential for discovery. So while Jupiter may not be a star, it remains one of the most intriguing and important objects in our cosmic neighborhood. But let's indulge in our thought experiment. Imagine for a moment the unimaginable. What if, by some cosmic magic, Jupiter gained enough mass to become a star? This isn't just a whimsical idea, it's a fascinating dive into astrophysics. The transformation would be spectacular, a cosmic event of epic proportions. As Jupiter accumulates more mass, its gravity increases exponentially, pulling in even more surrounding gas and dust from the vast reaches of space. The pressure and temperature at its core continue to rise, reaching levels that are almost unimaginable. Eventually, a tipping point is reached. Nuclear fusion begins, the same process that powers our sun. Hydrogen atoms under immense pressure overcome their natural repulsion and fuse, releasing a torrent of energy, a process that lights up the universe. Jupiter, once a gas giant planet, would ignite into a star, albeit a small one, changing its identity forever. This new star wouldn't be a bright yellow sun like ours. It would be different, unique in its own right. It would be a red dwarf, a cooler, fainter type of star, often overlooked but still significant. But even a red dwarf Jupiter would have profound effects on our solar system, especially on Earth. The gravitational dynamics would shift, potentially altering orbits and climates. The night sky would never look the same again. The most immediate and visually striking change would be in our night sky. No longer a dim, wandering point of light, Jupiter would blaze as a second sun, albeit smaller and redder than our own. The nights would be significantly brighter, potentially disrupting animal behavior and plant growth cycles. The presence of a second star wouldn't just be an aesthetic change, it would impact Earth's temperature. Red dwarfs, though cooler than our sun, still emit significant heat and radiation. Earth's delicate energy balance would be disrupted. Depending on Jupiter's position and the amount of heat it emits, Earth could experience a significant temperature rise. This could have far-reaching consequences for our climate, potentially leading to melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and more extreme weather events.